How to fix Windows 11 sync settings not working. 1. Verify your Microsoft account. Like this. Path, settings, accounts, email and accounts. Plan B, verify. Your Microsoft account by web. 2. Enable sync from group policy or registry. 2.1 via group policy editor. To do so, disable do not sync at computer configuration / administrative templates / Windows components / sync your settings. Restart your PC. 2.2 ROM registry. Editor. Set 2 to disable settings sync dword at hkey _ local _ machine / software / policies / Microsoft / Windows / settings sync. Restart your PC. For Azure Active Directory users, set all to users may sync settings and app data across devices at Azure Active Directory / devices / enterprise state roaming. 4. Reset reinstall your Windows. 5. More tips. Turn on theme sync. Perform SFC scan as admin. Turn off then turn. On Windows Sync settings. Update Windows and restart your PC. Change the theme. For school or work account users, use a personal one or contact your administrator.